Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
Oh yeah, back with another banging recipe, baby.
Yes, we are.
Today I'm the hungry one, guys.
Today we got something special, unique, different,
Banging,
sweet.
spicy.
Man, y'all wanna know? Y'all already know what we making. It's in the damn title. It's in the thumbnail. Guys, today we are making a sweet and
Spicy
pancake fried chicken wings. Yeah, we didn't stutter. That wasn't a mistake. That's what we're making. Sweet and spicy pancake fried chicken wings.
Yeah. And your mama.
Get your syrup ready. Because when we come back, it's about to go down. Chefettes, I'm back with the ingredients for these sweet and spicy pancake fried chicken wings. Oh, it sounds so good. I'm already hungry. Guys, like usual, we got green seasoning. You probably don't have it because you're too lazy to make it. I don't know what to tell you. But we're going to use green seasoning. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of green seasoning to season our wings. Guys, you're going to need a teaspoon of brown sugar. You're going to need a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You're going to need a cup and a half of your pancake mix. We got the Aunt Jemima. See the little black lady right there? Then we have a cup of flour, onion powder, garlic powder. We're going to use a tablespoon of each. You're going to need a tablespoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. I almost forgot the wings. How you going to have sweet and spicy pancake fried chicken without the wings? Guys, so what we did was we seasoned our wings the night before, because when you season it the night before, it tastes better. So this is what your wings gonna look like. All right, y'all see this? I'll bring it closer. So we season our wings. That's it, y'all. Make your own.
That's crazy.
Don't be jumpy in my wings. Make your own wings.
Jeez.
All right, so you see the ingredients, guys. When we come back, I'm gonna show you the first step. All right.
Hey guys, we're back with the next step. All right, so make sure you're paying attention. I'm about to tell you what to do. All right. So we have our pancake mixture. We have our all-purpose flour. Make sure you have all-purpose, okay? Because for frying, that's what you need. We're gonna take half a cup, okay, of our pancake mixture. We're gonna set it aside. And we're gonna use that for the flour, okay? We're gonna mix that all in together. So, just to go over, we have our cayenne pepper, our all-purpose flour, and then half a cup of our pancake mixture. And a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna mix all of this together for when we're ready to fry our chicken, okay? I love that black pepper. My favorite. Make sure we get all that in there. All right, let's leave this set aside. And just bounce back over here. So we have our pancake mix. Here we have a little bit of our brown sugar. We're gonna throw that right in here. Oh, I'm about to say, you don't wanna come out? We have half a cup of water. We're gonna pour that bad boy in here. And this is what we're gonna need to dip our chicken in, all right? Slowly start mixing it together. Don't pour it all in at once because you wanna make sure you get the right consistency. Too watery is not gonna work out. Right? You see it's too thick? Keep adding a little bit more water. Add it too much at one time, you're gonna get clumps, all right? So a little bit at a time. Guys, y'all gonna thank us for this recipe. Just letting y'all know. Hopefully it cooks quick because you know Mr. Hungry. I hear his stomach rumbling. Are you hungry?
Nope. You told him at the beginning you're the one hungry today.
Alright, that was probably my stomach. Normally it's your stomach.
Nope, not at all.
Not today?
Nah, I never heard my stomach on camera.
It is my stomach today. I am hungry. I ain't eat no breakfast today. Somebody's starving me. I'm gonna tell my mother. Guys, I'm about to show you the consistency of this pancake mixture so you guys know. Not too watery, not too thick. Like if you're gonna make pancake mixture, all right? From scratch. Don't be lazy, don't be buying no frozen pancake mixture. Look. See that?
Looks good.
Right?
Looks good.
That's it. So, we're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna heat up the oil, all right? And when we come back, we're gonna show you how to dip the chicken into the flour, and that's it. So, make sure you stay tuned with us. We'll be right back, guys.
Hey, chefs and chefettes. I am back. Let me show you what we up to. So I took a few pieces of the wings and I put them in the pancake mixture with the water. See that right here? It's kind of like a buttermilk mixture, but it's really the pancake mix with the water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the wing. Can you see me?
Yep, we can see you.
I'm taking the wings out of the pancake and water mixture. I'm gonna dip it in the flour and pancake mixture. Make sure I'm covering everything up. Kind of far. You wanna come a little closer? I don't bite.
I don't know.
You cover it up and you put it in the hot oil. You guys hear that?
Sizzling.
And the oil is hot. So once again, you take the wing, you put it in the pancake and water mixture. Well, that's if you got the all-in-one mixture where you just add water. But whatever you use to make your pancake mix, you dip the wings in there first, and you're gonna dip it in the flour and pancake mix. That's it, cooking. And it's gonna cook a lot quicker than just regular flour, guys. So keep your eye on that chicken.
How long do you think we're cooking this for?
This you're gonna cook by eye. You're gonna watch it. You're gonna flip it. Shouldn't take no more than maybe 20-25 minutes. But watch your chicken because you don't want it to burn. The pancake mixture is going to make it cook a lot quicker. And that's a fact.
That's a fact, people. You heard that.
So I'm gonna put this last piece in, and you guys are gonna do that to all your pieces. Now see, let me get a little closer so I get up in there. I dipped it in the mixture, roll it around in the flour, making sure I coat everything, and drop it in. That's the hands of a chef. All right, guys. So I'm gonna do that for all my pieces, and when we come back, y'all gonna see what it looked like.
Hey, chef and chefette.
Give me 1 second. We are back with the finished product, baby!
Oh, yeah.
Guys, the sweet and spicy pancake fried chicken wings is done.
Done. smells banging. It's banging because somebody tasted it.
I didn't. Why you always lying? I'm gonna taste it now.
Hey, they didn't even know it was down there.
I'm gonna lie. Somebody tasted it.
Look,
I didn't.
you took the pyramid I made. No, don't put it back. Come on.
Guys,
You're a
it's
word.
sweet.
And it's spicy.
When I'm speaking.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, when I'm speaking.
I'm not speaking.
I can see you on the damn camera.
Oh my god.
When you first bite it, it's sweet. Then, as you chew it, it gets spicy.
And if you don't already hear it, as soon as you taste that first bite, it's crunchy. What happened to you? You stopped talking.
I wasn't done.
But you can't talk with your mouth full.
Watch me.
That's not having good manners.
I'm trying to talk to our subscribers.
Your mama didn't tell you don't teach with your mouth
You
full?
still talking?
Oh my gosh.
Guys, it's like a confusion in your mouth.
Explosion too, huh? Oh, I'm still talking. Alright, my bad.
She don't shut up. God damn it! Guys, make these pancake chicken wings. My taste buds is confused, but it's so damn good.
Look at this, guys. Look at that. You see? I think it's banging.
No,
But you didn't even finish that first one. I see chicken still there.
don't watch my food.
I'm watching your food. Look, I still see chicken. Look,
You know when you watch people food it fall? Don't watch my food.
Look, but you want the next one, but you didn't finish that one. That's called being
Don't
greedy.
watch my food.
That's called being greedy.
Hush your mother.
Guys, make these wings, all right? You're going to thank us later. And I want to let you know it's quick. It's easy. It takes like less. Don't do that. It takes less than 30 minutes.
Do it again.
About 25 minutes to make this. It's very quick. And it's banging for Super Bowl, which...
Yeah, Super Bowl.
Super Bowl Sunday, guys, is like next week, right?
Don't talk with my mouth full. Ain't that what you said?
That is what I said. You see, get you one that follows directions. And one that has manners. Mine is lacking a little bit of manners, as you can see.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the best wings I ever had. It's an explosion in your mouth. Make it. Make these damn wings.
Make these wings, guys. Make
Wings so good, make you want to slap.
your mama.
Nah, I was going to say you, but okay.
I will slap you back.
I'm telling Ramona.
Oh, don't tell my mama.
Guys, so that's it. Make these wings, guys. They're really good.
Guys.
And that's it. And we are